Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Allie. Today I'm going to share with you my recent purchase from Gucci. I'm super excited. I've had an extremely difficult few weeks at work with several late nights. Who's going to spoil you more than you? So I decided to treat myself to a pair of luxury sneakers that I've been eyeing for a while. And I finally pulled the plug and I'm super excited to share. So let's dive in. Here they are. So I did get the Gucci Ace sneakers with the blue and red stripes. I wear a size 8.5. They have the Gucci logo on the back, and the back is blue, which is the same color as the stripe here. They have a rubber sole and a very smooth leather material. So I'm super excited. So I did order them online. This version costs $580. With taxes, they came to around a little over $600, just to give you an idea of the price range. All right, let's try them on. So here's what they look like on. I would say they fit pretty true to size. I'm an 8.5. They fit very comfortably. I can definitely tell that they will most likely be creasing around here, just the way that you walk. It's normal wear and tear. I love the way that they feel. They feel super comfortable. So that's it for my Gucci haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.